So hello everyone and once again welcome to my channel Madam Axe. Today we are going to discuss about the top 10 global beauty brands according to the world's leading business magazine Forbes. So watch this video till the end if you want to know about the rankings and the countries of origin of these top 10 famous cosmetic brands. So, the number one global beauty brand is none other than Olay. Olay was previously known as Oil of Olay and it is an American skincare brand owned by Procter and Gamble, that is P&G. The Olay brand has expanded into a range of other products grouped into boutiques, including Complete, Total Effects, Pro X, Regenerist, etc. Olay is the market leader in many countries including the USA, UK and China. The second ranked global beauty brand is Avon. Avon is a multi-level marketing company in beauty, household and personal care categories. It is the 14th largest beauty company and is the second largest direct selling enterprise in the world. It is a company based in USA. Avon sells products in over 100 countries. Brazil is the company's largest market, passing the United States in 2010. Our third ranked global beauty brand is none other than L'Oreal, which is based in France. As one of the largest cosmetic companies in the world, L'Oreal began its journey in the cosmetic industry in 1909. Its product range includes color cosmetics, skin care, hair care, sun care, and fragrances. Its most important brands are L'Oreal Paris, Garnier, Maybelline New York, and Soft Sheen. Coming to the number 4th brand, which is Neutrogena. Neutrogena is an American brand of skin care, hair care and cosmetics. Neutrogena products are distributed in more than 70 countries. It was originally a cosmetics company named Naton. It is now a part of the US-based Johnson & Johnson conglomerate which bought the company in 1994. Our fifth ranked global beauty brand is Nivea. Nivea is a German personal care brand that specializes in body care. Nivea comes from the Latin word niveus meaning snow white. This company makes various products such as tanning oils, shaving creams, shampoos, facial cleansers and toners. Now the Nivea brand has expanded into a wide global market. Our sixth famous global beauty brand is Lancôme. Lancôme is a French luxury perfumes and cosmetics house that distributes products internationally. Lancôme is part of the L'Oreal Luxury Products division, which is its parent company and offers luxury skincare, fragrances and makeup at higher end prices. Since 2014, one of its fragrance is the best-selling fragrance in Lancôme historic market, France. The seventh ranked cosmetic brand is Dove. Dove is an American personal care brand owned by Unilever originating in the United States. Dove products are manufactured in countries like China, Egypt, Germany, India, etc. The products are sold in more than 150 countries and are offered for both men, women and babies. Dove's logo is a silhouette profile of the brand's namesake bird, Dove. Coming to the 8th ranked global beauty brand, which is Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder is an American multinational manufacturer and marketer of prestige skincare, makeup, fragrance and hair care products. The company holds a diverse portfolio of 25 plus brands sold in 150 countries. Today, Estee Lauder continues to push boundaries in the global premium cosmetics market, making it one of the world's most popular cosmetics companies. The ninth ranked cosmetic brand is Biore. Biore is a part of Kayo Corporation, which is listed in the Forbes ranking as a USD 34.4 billion company. The company is headquartered in Japan and sells products in all cosmetic categories including color cosmetics, skincare, facial and body cleansers, and hair care. Popular brands from this company include Biore, John Frieda, and Goldwell. The last but not the least brand is Shiseido. Shiseido was found in Tokyo as the first Western-style pharmacy in Japan. This Japanese company makes all types of personal care products including skincare, fragrance, hair care, sun care, body care, and makeup. Some of its popular brands include Shiseido, ZA, Senka, Enessa, Seabreeze, NARS, and Bare Essentials. With this, we come to the end of our today's video, and I hope that you all really enjoyed this unique content. For more videos related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle, stay tuned to Madam Axe, and also please subscribe the channel, do like the video and share the video with your friends. So till then, bye bye and take care.